Join audio.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Recording is not in progress. Recording is going on, but sound is not
Yes, sir.
coming. Sound is not coming right now. Hello, Varsha Tripathi.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
My voice is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I am unable to listen you. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ अब आ रही है।
Your voice is clear, sir.
Voice is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Power is on, इसलिए तो आ नहीं रहा। आवाज आवाज आपकी जाएगी। आएगी यहाँ तक आएगी। नहीं नहीं चल रहा है। अच्छा हेलो
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ, चलिए ठीक है ओके ओके चलिए गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, today I am going to tell you and means teach you something regarding the supplementary chapter, that is chapter number 9, a tiger in the house. A tiger in the house. Varsha,
Yes,
why it is
sir.
coming? No.
Yes, sir.
Why it
Sir,
is
your
not
voice
coming?
is coming. Sir, your voice is
Can you
coming.
listen me?
Yes, sir.
sir. We are able to listen.
No.
Yes, sir.
कुछ भी नहीं समझ आवाज नहीं उनको भी नहीं सुनाई पड़ रही। हमारी आवाज आ रही
Sir,
है?
your voice is
Yes,
coming.
sir.
क्यों राशि?
Yes, sir, your voice is coming.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है यार चलिए ओके ओके as you know first of all there are 3 points that we will discuss regarding this topic tiger in the house. 3 points are here as usual in the chapters. We will discuss about these 3 points. Grandfather finds a tiny tiger cub in the forest and brings him home. Do you know where did grandfather find a tiger? Where did he find?
Forest.
He found a tiger cub in the forest and brings him home. Grandmother calls him Timothy. What is its name? Its name is Timothy. And brings him up like a human child. And brings him up like a human child. Timothy is playful and naughty. Yes. What is his habit? What kind of
He is playful and naughty.
Timothy is? Yes. He is playful and naughty. He is very naughty. His companions are, do you know how many companions are here? That we will discuss about them. His companions are
3.
Toto the monkey, a puppy and other members of the household. A puppy and other members of the household. Now the story is going to start and we will discuss all these 3 points in the story. Okay, Timothy, the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather in the Tarai jungle near Dehra. Near Dehra, do you know where is Dehradun? Dehradun is in
It is situated in
Uttarakhand.
India.
Okay, Timothy, the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather in the Tarai jungle near Tehra. Means it was brought from the Tarai jungle near Tehra. It's a story of tiger cub. One day, when grandfather was strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, means one day he was going through the forest and the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, he discovered a little tiger. He found, while he was there, he found a little tiger cub about 18 inches long. What is its length? 18
18
inches
inches
long,
long.
hiding among the intricate roots of a banyan tree. And it was hiding. Where did he hide himself?
Banyan tree at banyan
Yes,
tree. Behind
among the
banyan.
intricate roots of a banyan tree. Grandfather picked him up and brought him home. And after that, grandfather picked him up and brought him home. Do you know the story is understanding by you? Do you understand?
Yes,
The
sir.
grandfather picked him up and brought him home. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game, dead or alive. He was only the person that he could know such kind of game. There is no sound. Your sound is not coming.
So, but your sound
At
is
first, the
coming.
tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk, and at first it was brought up entirely on milk. Means he used to have only milk given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook. Cook, you know, Mahmood. Mahmood was the name of the cook, and Mahmood looked after him, and the milk was given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook, Mahmood. But who was Mahmood? Who was Mahmood?
cook.
Yes,
Cook.
grandmother was brought up entirely on milk given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook Mahmood. But the milk proved too rich for him, and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Do you know, instead of milk, he likes to eat pigeons and rabbits. Meat eater. He is meat eater. Yes. Now, Timothy was provided with two companions. Timothy had two companions. One, Toto the monkey. Toto was his companion, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail, and he was pulling its tail. Do you know? Timothy was also very playful, and he is one of his companion Toto, the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the younger tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains. And then he used to climb up the curtains. Timothy lost his temper, and do you know, by doing this, Timothy lost his temper. Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. And a small puppy was there, and where he found on the road by grandfather. Okay. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy. First, Timothy Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy. Means in the beginning, Timothy was afraid of the puppy. But after that, and darted back with a spring if it came too near, and he sprang if he came near to him. ठीक है, नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है?
सर आ रहा है।
हाँ हाँ, वो जंप करता था अगर वहां पर पास में आता था, ठीक है ना? He would make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws, और वो अपने पंजों से डैश बना देता था, वहां पर जगह बनाता था, and then retreat to a ridiculously safe distance, और वो सेफ जगह में पहुंच जाता था, मतलब वहां से बचता था। Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there, and finally he followed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there, मतलब अंत में फिर वो मान जाता है, ठीक है? One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him, ठीक है? जो भी वहां पर उसके साथ आता था, उनके he was playing with them, whoever used to come there. And so when I came to live with grandfather, the writer is telling us here, when he came there to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. ठीक है ना? मैं भी टाइगर का एक फेवरेट बन गया। With a crafty look in his glittering eyes, and what kind of eyes are there? Glittering, shining, है ना?
Glittery eyes.
And his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight. और वो जानते हैं, वो अपने पैर से मारता था कुछ भी सामने आए उसके, and pretending to bite my ankles, ऐसा लगता था कि मेरी एंकल को काट रहा है, बाइटिंग कर रहा है। He was by this time size of full-grown retriever, and when I took him out for walks, और वो बड़ा हो गया था यहाँ पर अब, people on the road would give us a wide berth, और रोड में जैसे आते थे तो लोग उसको काफी जगह देते थे कि आ रहा है वो, यहाँ से उसको हटना पड़ेगा, तो लोग हटते थे वहां से। When he pulled hard on his chain, जब वो चेन अपनी खींचता था तो क्या होता था? I had difficulty in keeping up with him, and it was very difficult to control him. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room. And what was his favorite place? Or where was his
Drawing room.
favorite place?
Drawing room.
His favorite place in the house was the drawing room. He used to play there, and he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa. He used to sit on the sofa. ठीक है ना? सोफा में बैठता था वो, reclining there with great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him up. और जानते हैं, जो भी उसको वहां से हटाने का प्रयास करता था तो स्नॉर्लिंग करता था, वहां उसको डरवाता था। समझ रहे हैं? Okay, Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. And he used to scratch with his paws, scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. बिल्ली की तरह वो अपने फेस को खुजलाता था, ठीक है? He slept at night in the cook's quarters. Where did he sleep at night? Where did he sleep at night?
At cook's quarters.
He slept at night in the cook's quarter and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. और वो सवेरे उसी के साथ बाहर आता था। किसके साथ? वर्षा, किसके साथ वो बाहर आता था?
Cooks के साथ। Cook.
चलिए,
Cook के साथ।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, some questions are here related to the first part. Question number 1. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game. 3 options are here. Grandfather was the most distinguished member of the party. Grandfather was the only sport person in the party. 3 options are here. Now last answer. last option is here. Grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. This is the correct answer. Okay.
The
Now
third.
complete the following sentences. It is given in the book.
So first का third.
All the exercises are first का third
So
answer
first का
सही
third
है.
है answer.
फर्स्ट का थर्ड है. सेकंड देखिए. Complete the following sentences. Toto climbed up the curtains when he lost his temper. ठीक है ना. मतलब वो नॉटी तो था ही, वो कर्टन में चढ़ जाता था. समझ रहे हैं ना. When he lost his temper.
Temper.
Second. इसमें जो भरना है आपको हम पहले बता रहे हैं. When I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. ठीक है. ये अभी पैराग्राफ में था, तो अभी हमने पढ़ाया है. The writer is saying that when he came to live with his grandfather, okay, he became one of the tiger's favorite. Now third number, Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. Now 3 points are here that we will discuss here in the next coming story. Now one of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmood's bed and no sign of the except his clothes and shoes. No sign of. Once he was sitting in the Timothy. Where was Timothy sitting? Timothy was sitting
Sir, in Mahmood's bed.
in Mahmood's room, and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. No, Mahmood was not there. It means he was not there. Of course, it never came to that. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. While he became how old is Timothy? Now 6 months. Timothy was about 6 months old. A change came over him. एक चेंज आ गया उसके अंदर. ठीक है ना. He grew up. अब थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया. And steadily less friendly. फ्रेंडली नहीं रहा. समझ रहे हैं. When out for a walk with me, मेरे साथ घूमने जाता था, he would try to steal away to stop cat or someone's pet dog. उनको मतलब पकड़ता था. समझ रहे हैं ना. तो जैसे कहीं घूमने जाते हो, pet dog is there, तो ये उनको पकड़ने का प्रयास करता था. स्टील माने तो चुराना होता है. स्टील अवे a cat or someone's pet dog. Sometimes at night we would hear Frenzies cracking from the poultry house. अब कभी-कभी हमको कुछ आवाजें भी सुनाई पड़ती थी poultry house. And in the morning there would be feathers lying over the veranda. और वहाँ पर क्या पड़ा रहता था? Feathers.
Feather.
हाँ,
Feathers.
feather पड़े रहते थे. मुर्गा खाता था ना ये. पकड़ लाता था. वहां से पकड़ के लाता था. ठीक है ना. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and he was chained up often. इसलिए उसको ज्यादातर चेन में बांध कर रखते थे. ठीक है ना. And finally, when he began to stalk Mahmood about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo. ठीक है ना. अब वो बहुत उसकी हैबिटें बहुत गंदी हो गई थी. ठीक है ना. वो इसलिए ग्रैंडफादर ने डिसाइड किया. ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड दैट इट मस्ट बी ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. ठीक है ना. अब उसको कहीं दूसरी जगह ट्रांसफर करना है. तो अब आगे देखिए. इसको दूसरी जगह ले जाने का प्लान बना रहे हैं. रिजर्विंग अ फर्स्ट क्लास कंपार्टमेंट फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड टाइमोथी. फर्स्ट क्लास रिजर्वेशन करवाया. ठीक है. समझ में आ रहा है ये. Reserving a
Yes,
first
sir.
class compartment
Yes, sir. We
for
can
himself
understand
and
it.
Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them. No one was there except 2 persons. Two means Timothy and grandfather. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities. Where did grandfather take him?
At
Lucknow
Lucknow.
Zoo.
हाँ, कहाँ ले गए?
Lucknow Zoo.
लखनऊ.
Lucknow.
But the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. They became very happy that it is very civilized, but really it was not civilized. ठीक है ना? उनको ऐसा लगा कि बहुत अच्छा है, and it was just like a gift for them. For them means कौन? Zoo authority. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather आवाज नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल.
सर अभी उनको तो बोले ना. Sir, your voice is coming.
But your voice is coming.
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is coming.
अच्छा, चलिए, आपकी भी धीरे धीरे आ रही है. चलिए, अभी इसको हम आगे और बताते हैं आपको. Grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. Means he wanted to see Timothy. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when I returned to Dehra. Even grandfather said that I did not know anything about him, but I have heard about him when I returned to Dehra. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy was. Where did he go straightway? Varsha? Where
Yes,
did he
sir.
go straightway? Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. जहां पर वो बंद था, जिस पिंजड़े में, वहीं पे डायरेक्ट वो गए. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. ठीक है ना? grown तो बड़ा था ना, striped coat था उसके. And hello Timothy, said grandfather and put his arm through the bars of the cage. Hello Timothy बोला उसको, running out of time. चलिए ठीक है, ओके. सो अभी कितना रह गया है? Story is remaining and time is over. Hello Timothy, said grandfather and put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. मतलब दोनों हाथों से वहां हाथ रखने के लिए उसने ऐसा प्रस्ताव रखा. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, and it was his old way of keeping him quiet. Okay, and it was his old way. ठीक है ना? So now student, I would like to complete this story tomorrow. So thank you very much for listening me. Today's time is over. Okay, so next class is there for
Thank you, sir.
others. So see you tomorrow with this topic. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thanks, sir.